Pass to Herrera. Tungkunay. Unay fires. Short. Rebound Sereno. Ulavado. Tumunsilyer. Sa mataas. Turnover. Guard. Pakikingili ka dyan, guard. Remaining time, 5 minutes, 40 seconds. Unay, attacks, pass to Mulson. 2 points. Lavado to Velasco. Velasco fires. No good. As na more ball. Unay with the ball. Pass to Herrera. Herrera fires. No good. Rebound Delino. Block by Velasco. Sereno. Steal by Punay. Punay fires. No good. Rebound Velasco. Velasco. To Sereno. Turnover. As number ball. Unay. Tumunson. 2-man play para sa Astamor. Official score, 4-0. Lavado. Tumisay, 15 on the shot clock. To Sereno. To Lavado. Lavado fires. Joshua Lavado, 3! Unay Tumunson, fakes. 15 on the shot clock. Unay cross, steal by Monsiller. Monsiller. As number ball. Sabrek. Unay bars, short. Rebound, Herrera. Tumunson. To Punay, 10 on the shot clock. Unay, to Herrera. Tumunson. 5 on the shot clock. Steal. Steal by Herrera. Herrera. To Capuno. Sablay. Rebound Tulino. Fake. Block by Isay. Pass to Monsiller. Remaining time, 3 minutes exactly. Monsiller cross. Attacks. To Sereno. Sablay. Follow up by Isay. Kings play ball. Lamang ng isa. Ang hangout, 5-4. Capuno to Punay. Punay five. No good. Rebound Lavado. Lavado, laya-laya. Sablay. Rebound Munson. Munson. Coast to coast. Stable tayo. Sabrek. Sabrek. Fifteen on the shot clock. Capuno, attack. Pass to Herrera, fake. 3 seconds violation, turnover. Lavado with the ball. Pass to Velasco. Sablay. Time out.